Huawei has started gradually rolling out its GPU turbo update to the P20 Pro, and presumably, the standard P22. This means that the company intends to keep its promise, and stick to the tight schedule it announced last month. Well, the update comes right on time for the P20 series. The changelog says that it will provide smoother gaming experience, as we found in the extensive review, and can be turned on by switching on a game acceleration in the Game Suite app. The Game Suite app unlocks some other useful features, like uninterrupted gaming. In addition, the OTN update applies Google's July security patch. Keep in mind that the GPU Turbo doesn't support all games for now, but eventually, Huawei is hoping extend its reach as it works with developers to adopt it. What's your take on this? Do share your views via comment section below. And like always, do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe this channel. I will be back shortly with another news. Till then, have a great time ahead. Bye bye.